Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy coin on Uniswap with Trust Wallet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap, and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the Uniswap, Trade, Explore and Pool. And here we have the search tokens and swap anytime, anywhere where you can go in and of course swap tokens. And in the top right corner, we have the get the app and the connect button, where now we need to go to see how you can actually go and firstly go and of course connect with Trust Wallet. So when you click connect, as you can see here, we have the get Uniswap wallet, Uniswap mobile. We have the MetaMask wallet, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, but we don't have the Trust wallet. That's why we need to click on other wallets here. And you need to go and then find, of course, Trust wallet. So now when you have that, open the, then after that, you need to go and tap on connect button. After that, choose the token you want to buy from the drop down menu. So I have it here. We have the drop down menu, as you can see. And of course, you need to go and specify the amount of Ethereum you want to spend. So basically here, how much, and you will have the select token here. When you find the token that you want, how much of that token you will get. Adjust the slip break tolerance, usually between 10 or 15%, and confirm the swap. Pay the gas fees and confirm the transaction. The coin will be added to your Trust wallet once the transaction is complete. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.